In honor of 100 years of football at BGSU, we are taking the Rogers Report to the Doit. Welcome to this month's Rogers Report. So tell me about, you've been in fall training camp here the last few weeks. Give me a couple of takeaways.
It's been very intense, high intensity. We definitely been having long days, short nights, but it's definitely going to pay off.
We got Morgan State coming here to this field next Thursday, August 29th, 7 p.m. at the Doit. What are you looking forward to on that game?
I just can't wait. You know, with Coach Leffler being here, we've made so many strides towards, getting to where we want to be.
It's a new era with Coach Leffler here, and I'm really just ready to see the type of support that we have going into this season.
Okay,
right,
keep the elbow in.
We got to have a claw grip.
Okay,
there.
claw grip,
All right,
elbow
high,
in.
Yep, just like that, high and tight, just like that. It's perfect.
Wait, what are you guys going to do? Try to take the ball from me?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Chin it.
Chin it.
There you go. I love it.
So Coach Leffler, the 20th head coach of BGSU Falcon football. Tell me about the transition to Bowling Green here and this program.
We wanted to be at a place where winning championships were really important, and we're really instilling in our players right now all the values and work ethic that it takes to get back and bring our program back to a championship program. We needed to hire a great staff, and we did. We've had over 250 years of Power 5 experience on our staff.
So, Morgan State, Thursday, August 29th, 7 p.m. at the Doit. Tell me a little bit about that game.
Well, we wanted this place to be rocking and rolling. Our kids have really made a great effort of adopting to our culture and doing things the right way. And we're going to play with a violent, fast, get after it style, and we want this place packed and cheering on the Falcons to our first win.
See right here. I like this spot right here.
Yes!
All right, let's get you in your stance. Are you right-handed?
Yes.
Okay, so underneath center, you're going to take your left toe, put it in the instep of your right. Okay, you're going to slightly turn that toe in. Good. Chest proud. Hands out. Bend your knees. Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. There we go.
Hike. Now there's a...
We got a special guest, Dr. Rogers. Let's bring Dr. Rogers up. Come on, Dr. Rogers. He's a special guy to us. He's a huge supporter. He is a first-class guy. He's a guy that's doing everything in his power to make sure that we get back to where we need to be. Dr. Rogers, on behalf of our football team, I'd like to present you with a football.
Thank you, Coach. Wow. Thank you.
Dr. Rogers, you ready to break this team down? Just here we go.
All right.
Win on three.
1, 2, 3. I had a great morning with this team, these student athletes, and this new coaching staff. You know, though, the work of the president never really finishes, so I got to get to work here. See you next month on the Rogers Report.